how to log out of Facebook on all devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log out of Facebook on all devices. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on See More in Account Center. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on Password and Security. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as Where you are logged in. And here, simply select your account. And in this section, you'll see a list of all devices where you are logged in with your Facebook account. Now here, you simply have to scroll to the bottom and there you simply have to tap on Select Devices to log out. And here on the next page, you simply have to tap on Select All option. And after that, you simply have to tap on Logout and confirm it by tapping on Logout again. And once you do that, this will log you out everywhere, including computers, phones, and tablet, except the ones that you are connected right now. And that's it. That's how you can log out of Facebook on all devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.